Hi again. Today we're going to make something sweet. It's called Lek Tau T'hng, which is like a green bean sweet broth. We usually take it as a snack. So it's a very simple dish to make, and it's made from mung beans, which is quite nutritious, full of protein, but it has sugar and coconut milk. So let's go and see how to make this Nyonya favorite. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey in the UK. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. So now let's go and see how to make this tasty but sweet mung bean broth. We need 100 grams of mung beans, and we soak it for at least 4 hours or overnight. You also need about half a liter of water, 75 grams of sugar, 1 pandan leaf, mine is frozen, 30 grams of sago pearls, 100 grams of coconut milk, a pinch of salt. We add in the mung beans that's been soaked and half a liter of water, and then we bring to the boil. We rinse the sago with some water. Then you add the sago in and give it a stir. Bring to the boil and let it simmer. You let it simmer for about 30 minutes with the lid not shut tight. And remember to stir it every now and then. If it gets a bit thick, do add in some extra water and give it a stir. You can also skim off some of the bubbles or the scum that we see. It's perfectly alright to skim it off. You can check that it's done if you take a piece and you press it and it's soft. Okay, so it's done. I think it's a bit too thick. I'm going to add a bit of water. I'm going to add in the sugar. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt to bring out the flavor. And you stir, and you can taste whether it's to your sweetness or not to your sweetness. If it's not too sweet, you might want to add some sugar. And at this stage, I will remove the pandan leaf. Yeah. At this stage, you might want to add in the coconut milk if you're serving a family or you're going to eat it all together. But this time, I'm not going to because I want to add the coconut milk myself. Well, your Lek Tau T'hng is now done. I think it's a bit thick, so I'm going to add a wee bit, few drops of water. Remember, you still got to add your coconut milk, so you don't want it to be too thin. Hi, so here I am, finalized Lek Tau T'hng or mung beans porridge or broth, you call it. It's actually a sweet. And I've added some coconut milk, so let's try. It's nice. It's sweet and it's got sago, which I've managed to cook until it's all through, it's all transparent. The little pinch of salt actually brings out the sweetness of this sweet dish. We call it dessert, but it's not actually a dessert. We don't serve it after meals. We usually take it as a snack. So although we have a lot of cooked sweet things, but we don't normally serve it after the meal. So here you go, Lek Tau T'hng. It is a very simple recipe. So if you know how to boil water, you can cook Lek Tau T'hng. I hope you enjoy watching me making Lek Tau T'hng. And don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you feel that you benefited from my videos. So until the next time, until the next meal, until the next recipe, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you find my video useful. Bye. See you. Bye.